Guys, it's me, Bella here for another video. So yesterday I actually uploaded a video. Yesterday I uploaded a video playing Roblox, but I have another video today. I know what's going on. Sorry the background. Okay, I keep getting the background. I don't know why. Okay, I got scammed. It's X, uh, it's like a capital X, Super Unicorns XXX. She's a scammer because she put herself. Let me see the message. No, it's like for something. Sorry. Okay, keep reading. She's a scammer. No, I got scammed. Some people get scammed before. Let me type it up for you again. Don't trust that girl, okay? I think that's her user, I guess. I'm not sure. Right here, this is girl scam me. Thanks a lot because I'm recording. She scammed me because her stance is like, buy me her wishlist or the goldie. Don't trust her. Never trust her again. She, you know, some people always beg for the rares or diamond packs or wishlist. What is that? We just give them a wishlist. That's it. Don't block them. You don't need to block people like that. Rude, because this lady, everything she has, you know, hopefully she wastes her star coins and her diamonds because of that. I think she wasted all. Um, she actually wasted all. She was broke and I think she was not broke. I'm not sure. Maybe she saved her star coins. I'm not sure. Um, okay, that's it for the video. I know I'm really sorry for this really short, but I just wanted you guys to let you know, and she's a scammer, and maybe don't add her or something. Don't trust her. She's gonna block you. She blocked me already, so that's great. So, bye.